My kitties are modeling. I'm acting like I'm taking a picture. Are you gonna model? That's perfect. Anyway, I'm putting in more flowers, petunias, begonias, zinnias. We have all kinds of hummingbirds. We're still working on the rock garden. It's gorgeous. We've got lilies around the house. I love the lighting. I'm giving you a piece of the rock garden. We're still working on it. And that was orange lilies. That was gorgeous. And the Japanese beetles got the roses, the 2 rose bushes. So I'm going to have to deadhead them. And I don't know. We still got to transplant all these zinnias. As you see, there's a lot. They were growing wildly the last year, which was gorgeous. But here's the rock garden. And I showed y'all the sky before. And see, here's midnight. Big ears and meow meow.